everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to sign up for OVO Energy account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your web browser to get started. Type in www.ovoenergy.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official webpage of OVO Energy. Click on the login button at the top right hand corner to end up in the login page. If you already have an account, simply go ahead and enter your email or your OVO ID followed by your password and click login. If you don't have an online account yet and you'd like to set up a new one, click on the set up account button. Now, enter a valid email address that you have an access to in the text appearing at the very top, and now confirm the email address by retyping it again. Remember that you'll need to enter the email address that is linked to your OVO or SSE Energy account, and finally click on the submit button. You'll be sent a link to set your password. Simply go ahead and open up a new tab and log into your email service provider that is associated with your OVO Energy. Open up your email that you've just registered with. You'll receive an email from OVO Energy. Give it a click to open and follow the prompt. Now, click on this I'll do that now button and follow the prompts till the end in order to complete your account setup. You'll need to type in some of your information in the text boxes. Go ahead and enter your first name in the first text box and then provide your last name on the next. Once you do that, on the next field, type in your postcode, your date of birth, and then your OVO account number. Your account number will be found on any letter or email from OVO. Go ahead and type it in and then click on the submit button. Follow the prompts till the end in order to complete your setup. That is how you'll be able to sign up for OVO Energy account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.